Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, this is the Foggy Bottom Kabuki Show report for January 24th in the year of perfect vision. The Democrats wrapped up the opening arguments of their case today. Tomorrow, the Republicans get to open their opening arguments. Nothing going to happen Sunday, and back at it Monday and Tuesday, I presume. As is usual with kabuki, what you're seeing on stage isn't really all that there's going on. There's those men in the black suits moving the sticks and making things happen, and then there's the people who aren't anywhere near the theater and they're doing stuff. It's looking like there's a lot of stuff. If they let all the bit roasters and all of the props come in, there'd be 47 dozen people hitting the roastee with rubber chickens, inflatable mallets, not so inflatable mallets. And of course, like I said earlier, this is an unusual roast, whereas the roastee does not have to be present. I imagine they'll deliver the coals and the barbecue sauce to the roastee's home at the end of the proceedings. We'll see tomorrow what unfolds. Could it be one sentence, we deny it all, we call for a vote? Could they do that? Would they do that? Stay tuned to this channel for further